What's up everybody? John here with the Weekend Grill, and today we're making burgers. Now we're not just making any burgers, we're gonna be making a gourmet with fig jam, brie cheese, and arugula on a brioche bun burger. Roll that intro. Before we get into anything else, with Father's Day around the corner, I want to make sure I wish all the fathers and the fathers-to-be and the fathers of the fathers and the grandfathers and all the fathers out there a very happy Father's Day. So what else goes better with the burger than fries? So we're going to make some curly fries with our burger. For the fries, I like them seasoned. I made a quick wet batter here, which consists of about 1 cup water, half a cup flour. To that, I also added some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, cayenne pepper, and a little bit of paprika. So we're also going to be caramelizing some onions for the burgers. I like sliced grilled onions, using a red onion here. We're going to add some oil to the cast iron pan. Caramelize these down. So we're gonna let the onions cook down, and while the fries are cooking, we're gonna make our burger patties. For the meat, I'm using ground chuck. Very juicy, very fatty piece of meat. The burgers come out amazing with this. For the patties, I like to push it out till you get a nice round shape. Just like that. To push in the middle a little bit, because when it cooks, the middle tends to puff up. So get the middle a little bit flatter than the rest. All right, so we're just gonna plop these right on the grill here. There's some big boys. That's a big patty. We're gonna use brioche buns. Do a quick toast right on the grill. Just check on the onions here. Almost ready. Getting there. Check on these patties. These are looking beautiful. These are looking beautiful. Alright. Buns look good. Nice and toasted. Get this one a little bit more. Alright, for our bottom bun, first we're going to put a little bit of our fig jam. And get a nice thing of fig jam right here. Get our top bun as well. Put some fig jam on there. Alright, on here we're going to put our patty. Caramelized onions. We're also going to be adding our brie right here. That looks. Oh my god. Also going to be putting some of our arugula. Let's put it on top. There you have it. A gourmet burger with chuck, fig jam, arugula, Brie cheese on a brioche bun. Are you guys ready for the cross section? Let's get this cut. All right. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Can't wait to take a bite of this right now. Mmm. Fire. Fire. I rushed it. I didn't even get to plate it with the fries. I'm gonna put some of the curly fries right here. Kind of clumped up. Right there. There we go. Crunchy, good salt. This burger, I mean, it tastes like something you would get at a high-end restaurant. You get that sweet and salty balance, and the bun, it just melts in your mouth. This thing came out absolutely fire. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification down below. If you like seeing videos and content made of amazing recipes and food on the weekends, enjoying the backyard, enjoying the family, see you on the next one. I can't stop eating. I can't stop eating to record. All right. You have to taste this one. Try it. Try it.
Hello, people.